This 2021 Keystone Fuzion 373 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Keystone is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleep 7, spare tire kit, water heater, awning, DVD player, external shower, auxiliary battery, slideout, Colorado Detector, LP Detector, air conditioning, and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, patio deck, raised patio, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Fuzion 373 is 14,195 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.